Do you think it's easy to make a Lego video of me reviewing a Lego set, or even showing you some news about a new Lego set that came out and trying to record my voice? Think again. Sometimes it takes me like 3 times just to get a perfect video. And today I'll be showing some of my funny fails and moments of me trying to record some videos that did not work out. So enjoy. What's up, guys? Alex of Awesome Lego Builder. Today I'll be What's up, guys? Alex of Awesome Lego Builder. What's up, guys? Alex of Awesome Lego Builder. What am What's up, guys? Alex of Awesome Lego Builder. Today I'll be showing you a new What's up, guys? Alex of Awesome Lego Builder. Today I'll be